got a DC motor here, and it's operating, rotating about some axis to rotation. Mary views it from here, so that's where she's looking. Is the direction of this motor clockwise or anti-clockwise? Give a reason for your answer. So what I'm going to look is I'm going to look at side WX. The current you can see coming in here, this is this arrow, current comes in, touches here and then goes along this way. We have our field lines going this from north to south, so we're going to use the right hand slap to figure out the force on this wire here. So to set my hand up like that, I'm going to have to turn my hand over. My thumb points in the direction of the current here. The field lines are in my fingers, and my hand, when I'm doing that, my thumb going into the page here, the palm of my hand, which you can't see in this picture, is pointing downwards, and that's the force. So there's a force downwards on this guy. So that's enough to answer that question. If the force is downwards on this, the whole thing's rotating around that way, which is anti-clockwise. So let's just answer the question. So right hand slap says force on WX is downwards. Therefore, it turns anti-clockwise. Right, well, it's in the position shown in the diagram. The current is 0.5 amps. The coil has 20 turns. It's N. Doesn't mean it turns 20 times, it means it has 20 coils. The magnetic field is 500 millitesla, so that's 0.5 Tesla. And the side has length 5 centimeters, so let's put that into meters straight away. 0.05 meters. Calculate the magnitude of the force on side WX. Your classic F equals N Bill equation. So N was 20, B 0.5, I 0.5, L 0.05, which gives 0.25 newtons. Open. Alright, there's a split ring commutator fitted to the motor. Mary suggests that it would cause a lot of friction and it would rotate faster if it was removed, and slip rings were used instead. So just the split ring commutator sounds very similar to split rings, but they are different. So would this change improve the motor? Give a reason for your answer. It wouldn't. When you use slip rings in a motor, it doesn't turn continuously. So that's what we're going to talk about. The commutator lets it turn continuously. So I'm going to talk about, say no. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the commutator, how that works, and then I'm going to talk about why the slip rings don't work for my 2 marks. So the commutator, it reverses the direction of the current in the loop every half turn, and this contributes to continuous rotation, whereas the slip ring doesn't rotate. So slip ring system doesn't reverse the current. The system, it oscillates and then it finally stops. So it's not an improvement at all.